INMB stock analysis and INMB stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point. 42,000 videos documented like no one else in this space, but ultimately the way that I'm looking at this sort of thing is that it's just a bearish market for me. Now, what happened here just not like, it's kind of out of the ordinary, because it's not like it's not common. It's very common, but it's not like I haven't seen this happen thousands of times, but it's just, it's not an environment that I'm personally going to trade. You know what I mean? So INMB, there's previous receipts in the Discord for sure with one result, nothing crazy, but yeah, it's just like a overall bearish market, and unless the price gives me some sort of like a double break or something, I'm not willing to sell. It's very simple, right? This is sort of how it's looking like for me. So yeah, INMB. Yeah, one result, nothing crazy. If you want the sauce that's taken me 5 years to learn, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. 1,200 people have gotten it, and it's risk-free, nothing.